Let me see. Up here again. Let me see. Shark. Wow. Up here.
Shark.
Yay.
Shark. Fish shark.
Very good. Oh, go put it there.
Shark.
What's that?
Whale.
That's still shark. Go get whale. Show mommy whale, please. Let me see whale. Oh, very good, Tintin. What color is the whale? Very good. Up here again. Yay. Ay. What's that? Dory, up here. You like to eat now? Ah, you pick it up. No, it's over here. Where is it? Shoot! Give mommy snake. What's this?
Seal.
Very good. Give mommy snake. Mommy likes snake. Oh, give mommy turtle. Yay! Very good, Tintin. Give mommy red car. Wow! Up here again. Get mommy orange car. Orange car. Wow! Very good again. Give mommy white car. White car. White car. Come on, give mommy white car. Oh, let's see. Did you get mommy white car? Oh, dance. Oh, Kembot. How about Kembot? I no. There's no Kembot there. Okay. Shake. Come on, dance. Dance like Ariel. Come on. Ayan, Tintin Messi. Where's mommy's white car? Is that a white car?